Remember that you can also download for free the guide to SPPS1 on Apple iBooks. Just type "What is SPPS1" in the search bar and you will find it there. The link to it is also in the description down below. What is SPPS1? SPPS1 is a software tool for students and teachers. It was thought to show a couple of operations: string operations and language operations. String operations include concatenation and length, and language operations include union, concatenation, exponentiation, clean closure, and positive closure. When main screen is loaded, S1 and S2 are empty strings. S1, S2 is the default concatenation operation. Its value is the empty string. Length operation S1, S2 is equal to 0. Changing concatenation operation. Number 1. Touch option select from menu. Number 2. Select concatenation operation. S1, S2 and S2, S1 are default operations in SPPS1. Select concatenation operation S2, S1. Number 3. Concatenation operation S2, S1 is now displayed. Building new concatenation operations. Touch option build from menu. For build S1 empty operation, touch the elements from bottom menu. Touch string operations button. SPPS1 saves the operation S1 empty. Now SPPS1 shows the new operation S1 empty. Touch option select and you can observe that S1 empty has been saved. If you want to build an operation with some different strings, example S1 Sophie, add S1 to new concatenation. Ingress Sophie string, then touch New button. Return to main screen. SPPS1 shows the new operation S1 Sophie. Touch option select and you can observe that S1 Sophie has been saved. Delete concatenation operation. You can delete the current operation. Touch Delete button and that's all. The current operation was deleted. SPPS1 shows the delete operation message. S1, S2 and S2, S1 default operations aren't allowed to be deleted. Touch Delete button when the current operation is S1, S2 and SPPS1 shows the warning message. When building a new operation, current operation is a picker component that shows all registered operations. Touch Delete Last button to remove the last item in new concatenation control. Touch Delete All button to remove all items in new concatenation control. To show concatenation operation by steps, touch option by steps from menu. SPPS1 shows concatenation operation by steps. If you want to clear inputs and outputs, touch Clear button from menu. SPPS1 sets S1 and S2 to empty strings value. To test the concatenation operation, touch Test button from menu. SPPS1 generates random values for S1 and S2, also generates a random concatenation operation and shows it in New Operation Control. To test a concatenation operation, type your answer. Then touch Test button and SPPS1 shows the evaluation message. To show the operation result, touch Show button to get the operation result. SPPS1 shows the operation result by steps. To change the concatenation operation, touch Random button to generate a new concatenation operation. Language operations. SPPS1 generates 3 languages, A, B, and C. Languages only must have maximum max items. Every item in language can have max length characters. To change the max items value, touch Max Items button, then select New Value. Also, to change max length value, touch Max Length button and then select New Value. Generating new values in languages A, B, and C. Number 1. Touch New Values button and then select the language. To clear languages, touch Clear button and languages will be empty. To append a new item in selected language, number 1. Select the language. Number 2. Type new item. Notice that spaces are not allowed. Number 3. Touch the Add button. Number 4. When append a new item, check max items and max length values. You can save your languages doing a touch in Save button. After you touch Save button, the languages will be saved. SPPS1 shows a message indicating that the languages saved appear in a picker component. Retrieve a language. You can retrieve a language previously saved. This language must be selected from the picker component. Then select the language and touch Select button. After touching the Select button, the scene language will have the item selected. You can delete the language in view just by touching the Delete button. SPPS1 deletes language displayed in picker component and render the view. SPPS1 will show a delete message. Working with language operations. Touch Operations button to work with language operations. All languages must have at least one item. Type your language operation, then touch Parser button to check syntax rules. SPPS1 will show you a message about parsing. If parsing is successful, you can get the operation result touching the Show button. SPPS1 shows the operation A union B union C. To save the operation, touch the Save button and SPPS1 shows a save message. The saved operation is displayed in the picker component. To select an operation, select the operation in picker component. Touch the Select button and SPPS1 checks for syntax rules in the selected operation. Selected operation has been parsed and become current operation. To delete an operation, select operation to remove from picker component. Touch the Delete button and SPPS1 shows a delete message. Then SPPS1 reloads picker component with the contents. Union operation. Union symbol is U uppercase, but notice that the use of symbol U lowercase is also valid. Concatenation operation. Concatenation symbol is implicit. You don't have to put any other thing. Concatenation have major priority over union. For example, A union B concatenated with C and empty and T. Notice that B concatenated with C and with empty and T is computed before union with A. You can also change execution priority using parentheses. A union B result is concatenated with language C. Concatenation with empty and T is the last executed operation. Exponentiation L times I. L times I is equal to I times language concatenation. For example, L times 3 is equal to L concatenated with L concatenated with L. SPPS1 exponentiation notation is L to the n. For example, A, B, empty times 3 is 3 times self-concatenation, as you can see in the example. Notice that the I values that SPPS1 accepts must be greater than 0 and lower than 3. For example, if you make the L language to the 4, you will get an error message. Clean closure L asterisk. Type open parentheses A union B, close parentheses, and the asterisk. SPPS1 includes infinite symbol. Positive closure L plus. SPPS1, like clean closure, gets only 4 terms. To use a positive closure, type open parentheses B union C, close parentheses, and the plus symbol. With SPPS1, you can type your own language using opening brace, item 1, item 2, to the item n, then you close the brace. Notice that no spaces are allowed. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact the author at his email, which is on the screen and also on the description down below. Thanks.